Steve Dudash joining us now with his view on, I don't know, what do you say, jump right in as things start to get a little crazy?
I don't think they're going to leave. I don't think the Britain exit's likely. The polling in Britain is notoriously bad, and the gambling, you can gamble on anything over there. The numbers show that most people are betting that they're going to stay. So personally, I think they're going to stay. But if they don't, you need to be defensive. You need to protect your portfolio, and that means you need to look at certain sectors that aren't going to get hit quite as bad if that takes place. Because if it does take place, it could get pretty ugly over there.
Well, I really like your picks. They're all foreign picks here, which is interesting to me. Yeah. BAE Systems, we can put that one up. You also have Unilever, Rio Tinto. They do business all over the world. Is that your way of being defensive?
Right. Exactly. If we were looking at companies that will be able to weather the storm if Britain does end up exiting, and again, this is just the starting stages with them if they were to exit, but if they were to exit, commodity sector is in probably the bottom end of the cycle. You're looking at a field that has a lot of upside potential and isn't really tied to the financial sectors that are going to get hit the worst in Britain if this goes through. So, yeah, Rio Tinto, that's a wonderful area within that commodity sector that could take place. BAE, they can't unwind from the euro. The referendum isn't going to take the defense sector out of the euro, at least not in the short term. So those are the companies that are less likely to get hit quite as badly.
Yeah, it's like putting some Teflon around your portfolio, but
yeah,
still
that's all we're trying to do.
Still being in the market. Steve, you guys at IHT are closing in on about $1 billion in assets under management. You've managed to make some very smart decisions. Advise our viewers on dealing with headlines such as this so-called Brexit vote or any kind of Fed headline, quickly.
Okay, quickly, don't buy into the fear. I personally don't think Brexit's going to happen because the fear factor is telling people that's going to. The smart people, the moderates, the middle of the roads are going to vote the other way because it's more risky to jump on it. So generally speaking, we're big contrarians. When everyone's running one direction, I'm a big believer, go the other because you're going to make more money. Europe right now is down like 9, 8, 9, 10, whatever percent in the last week and a half. Take advantage of that fear that's put down.
Thank you,
I know we got to go.
Steve
I'm
Dudash.
sorry.